Today we are heading on a day trip to Great Sand Dunes National Park. The park is located in southern Colorado, about 4 hours south of Denver. It is home to the tallest sand dunes in North America, with the Star Dune reaching a height of 750 feet. While here, you can hike, sandboard, swim in the Medano Creek, stargaze, and if you have an off-road vehicle like us, you can drive the Medano Pass. In this video, we share how we spent one day at Great Sand Dunes National Park.
Well, good morning, you guys. We are going on a 7-hour round trip, day trip, down to Great Sand Dunes National Park today.
Yeah, it's a little ambitious, but we both really wanted to go, and there's apparently a 20-mile 4x4 trail that leads to the national park, so we had to take the Jeep.
But first, coffee.
We stopped at Mudslingers, a drive-through coffee shop in Bailey, Colorado. It was quick and tasty, just what we needed. The drive from Buffalo Creek to Great Sand Dunes was exactly what you'd expect from Colorado, a scenic drive through the mountains. We planned on filling up at a small general store just outside of the park, and this wasn't exactly what we were expecting.
So we were able to fill up. We had to go in and prepay. This might be the oldest gas pump we've ever used. Now we're gonna see if we can rent a board.
One of the most popular things to do here is rent sleds or boards to ride down on the dunes.
So they did still have boards available, but unfortunately the sand is wet. So the guy at the stand warned us that it would not be as fun. So we are going to pass on the boards for today and just do a hike and then our Jeep trail.
We started off hiking the High Dune Loop. The trail is moderate 3 miles through sand. While this doesn't go to the tallest dune in the park, it does have some pretty incredible views.
This sand is really soft. It's gonna be a tough climb up there.
The goal is to make it up there.
We are loving this park because you know what? It's dog friendly. Maya gets to go on this hike with us, which doesn't happen often in national parks.
This hike is brutal. Walking on sand that's this soft is so tough, but views are pretty good. I think though, because of us and Maya, I think we're gonna turn around here because this is killing us. Jess decided just to barrel down the dune to the parking lot, you know, as the crow flies, rather than the nice path we took to get up here. We're gonna see how that goes. The lovely developed path.
You mean the ridge with the driest sand.
We'll see how it goes.
Let's go, Maya!
It's so steep.
After the hike, we went right to the picnic area for lunch. And we finally got to empty out the sand from our hiking shoes.
Here, toss them in my mouth. That's funny. Oh my gosh. Gently.
Rapid fire.
Gently, Greg. Now on to the reason I was able to get Greg to drive so far for one day at a national park.
The Medano Pass Primitive Road is a 20-mile road through Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve. There is deep sand and water crossings, so a 4x4 is required.
All right, you guys know the drill. We'll air down, disconnect, and then hit the trail.
On the trail. This is the only national park that I know of that has like a true dedicated 4x4 route in and out of the national park.
Man, the
The
views.
views are crazy.
Yeah. The views along the side of the dunes are incredible. We just got past the part where they no longer allow all-wheel drive or any low clearance vehicles. You have to have 4x4. The sand, you can tell, is getting pretty deep through here.
Sheesh.
That was a deep part.
Okay, thank you for saying something. I was just trying to get a shot there, and then you're like, hey, it's deep up here. I'm like, oh,
You're like, yeah, whatever.
that was real sand.
Greg was just taking a shot of the dunes, driving around the corner, and I look up and it's like really deep loose sand, and he's not paying any attention.
I'm going way too slow for actual deep sand, but luckily she said something in time and I was able to punch it and we were able to get out of there. But a few more minutes, or a few more seconds really, and we would have had the potential to get stuck.
We got a water crossing.
We have an actual water crossing. Ooh. Like there's water in there.
Looking deep. The views out here are beautiful. We're kind of just driving through aspen groves with mountains on either side of us. It's stunning.
I don't know what you want from me.
There she is.